Hello.
They tried everything they can to break us, but they can't break us.
They cannot break us. We are unbreakable.
We are unbreakable. Justice. We are unstoppable.
And majority of self-recognition.
Power. Power. Okay, welcome. Thank you. I will see that open.
Yeah, guy, you cannot use my phone.
Taking those guys to prison. Yeah.